Let's play emotional Uber. For this one, you got your driver. The audience is going to assign that driver with an emotion. For today, let's go with extremely irritable. The audience is also going to pick a destination. Where's the Uber going? Each person who enters the Uber is going to bring an emotion of their own. We're going to use only 2 at a time in this instance, but there's more variations. You can have 4 up to 6 people if you wanted to. Here we go.
Disneyland, please. You smell like cheap perfume. Roll down your window. My dog just died and this scent reminds me of her. I hate dogs. Fasten your seatbelt. That's how Bella died. She wasn't wearing her seatbelt. Maybe if you had some actual people friends, you wouldn't be so attached to a dead mutt. I'm shy. All right, get out. You're bringing me down. Ooh, your eyes twinkle like the stars. Your Mickey Mouse ears make you look ridiculous. Driving a Jeep makes you look strong and rugged like Gaston. Gaston's a pansy. The ultimate villain is Cruella de Vil. Ooh, I love that movie. We should see it together. Tonight. At my place. No? We're here. Get out. Take me to the dog park, please. Oh, and I brought my dogs. 101 of them.